Welcome to the engineering faculty. Today I'll be talking on the second brain for undergrad. Have you for once missed some notes you took while you were an undergraduate student? Or you tried to recall who taught you what and some similar insights shared at different classes? And perhaps have you thought about how your brain recall information with regards to how you take your notes and store your class note? Today, the intent is to share how I have improved my digital note taking skills, writing and thought process of synthesizing my note using networks of notes or associative notes, creating sort of a second brain with Obsidian. And I hope you find it useful. During my undergraduate studies, my notes were in silos because I had to write them by hand, or they could be on my laptop in Microsoft Word, PDF in different folders, so they were more or less hierarchical. Now I work often with network notes, with each note representing a knowledge node and showing association with other nodes, which could be a person, it could be a note, it could be a place of interest or an event, depending on the situation resulting in the creation of that particular note. I'll make an example of a networked note using some of my favorite undergraduate lecturers on the courses they taught me during undergrad. Let's say Dr. Adeyeri gave a lecture on spreadsheet for optimization modeling in MEE 525. I took the class notes on the 9th of August 2020. Also in that class, Dr. Adeyeri gave an assignment on guidelines for model development in spreadsheet. 2 days later, Dr. Akintayo also gave a lecture on engineering economics in MEE 501, and he mentioned the importance of spreadsheet for financial analysis of engineering projects. Some days later, Dr. Abioye mentioned the application of spreadsheet in network analysis for operation research in MEE 505. So, spreadsheet can be linked to these three courses as well as the lecturers. So, in developing my assignment, I may want to take knowledge from the three courses on the guidelines for spreadsheet model development. Possibly, I can remember most of these guidelines mentioned because I had the courses in the same semester. But let's say 10 years later, I want to write an article about the impact of operation research in engineering management with the application of spreadsheet. I may not have my physical notes anymore or remember accurately who said what and when, or if I do have the note as digital notes, like in Microsoft Word, I need to remember the file name or the directory of storage. This is the challenge of hierarchical storage of files or notes. However, with a digital note, this associative and connected, that is associative and connected, the network of spreadsheet nodes from my graphical view of my second brain, I can immediately see what courses were linked to the spreadsheet, who taught the courses, where I took those courses, and possibly any other thoughts or thinking process about spreadsheet which I took 10 years ago. Hence, you can see that I can now develop a new note from different notes I took in different courses where links to spreadsheet were established. These links are either called backlinks or bidirectional links. From the notes on MEE 505, I can connect directly to my note on spreadsheet or connect from the note on spreadsheet to the lecturer that gave the course, and in any order to other notes, to a person, to a place or events that are linked to that particular note. From this network of notes, I can create a new note, say project finance with spreadsheet, or like the script of this video that is linked to all the courses mentioned, lecturers, and spreadsheet. Beside links, I can create standard tags for keyword. For example, I have tags for lecturers, friends, or operation research. The beauty of this second brain tool is that I can create a new note about a keyword that was previously a tag. And with that, I can choose to update all tags to become backlinks. Hence, the new note can be connected to all previous notes that had the tag of that same keyword. Links can also be updated at a later time, just in the same way one realizes the truth about a concept and update his or her prior knowledge. Backlinks can be of the second brain can be updated at a later time, and interestingly, simultaneously, all backlinks with the same word will be updated to the corrected word. In conclusion, this process of network of nodes breaks the hierarchical approach of storing files on a computer. The graphical view can give you a quick overview of your note, hence easily finding connections between notes and developing new concepts from the network of nodes. Other areas of application aside undergrad studies are in research, editorials for newspaper, biographers, and book writers, and anyone who reads a lot with the intent of developing a new manuscript. All notes can be stored locally on your computer and synchronized to any cloud storage of your interest. Hence, the risk of confidentiality and loss of notes are minimized. My next video will be on using this tool for article review and developing new manuscript